Dip my toes. First and then with on the left. Part A. Total 48 counts. 2 walks. Section 1. Forward right with each. Cross. Sidewalk with stepping hip. Sidewalk cover. Behind quarter forward. Now facing 9. Tap the side. Forward rock recover with hip roll. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 2. Forward left. Step. Half. Half back with sweep. Back sweep. Behind side cross hitch. Big step slide with drag. Count section 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 3. Ball cross. Full spiral. Now facing 10-30. To walk. Right, left. Cross side heel. Square up to the top. Ball cross. Hinge half turn. Step quarter back. Continue making quarter turn. Now facing 6. Count section 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 4. Triple quarter turn. Side together, quarter forward. Now facing 3. Rock, recover with sweep. Right sailor step. Fall, side rock, recover, make quarter turn. Now facing 6. Count section 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Part A, section 5. 2 back touch. Back touch, back touch. Right sailor step. Forward rock with arm. Reach arm forward. Open and kick. Sit on the right and look over right shoulder. Count part A, section 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Part A, section 6. Forward, half back, facing up. Sailor half turn, facing 6. Out with roll knee. Out right, out left. Rolling full turn, quarter forward, half back. You'll finish the rolling full turn on the start of part B. Make a 3-8 forward, facing 7:30. Count part A, section 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 on part B. Part B, total 32 counts, 2 walks. The first B start facing 6 o'clock. Section 1, facing 7:30 diagonal. Forward, touch behind, back, kick. Behind, quarter, forward, now facing 4:30. Forward left, swivel, left, center. Weight on the right, kick. Behind, 3-8, forward, now facing 9 o'clock. Count part B, section 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Part B, section 2. Turn, touch right forward, step back. Left, rock, recover forward with sweep. Weave, cross side behind side. Cross side cross. Count part B, section 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Part B, section 3. Step left to the side. Right heel in, left heel out. This makes a quarter turn, facing forward. Hitch right. Step right down. Left heel in, right heel out. And continue making another half turn hinge. Now facing forward. Walk, walk, triple step. Total making half turn. Walk left, right, triple step. Now facing 6 o'clock. Count part B, section 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. B, section 4. Rock, recover, 1.5 turn. Half forward, half back, half forward. Now using 12 o'clock. Extended syncopated lower knee step. Left diagonal lock step. Right diagonal lock step. Forward, left. This is the end of part B. Count part B, section 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tag total 32 counts. Tag after A, B, B, facing 6 o'clock. Tag is all single counts, so I just do the steps and count together. Tag section 1, out right, out left, back together. Forward right with hip roll, recover. Forward, half, is 12. Tag section 2, out right, out left, back together. Forward, hip roll quarter. Forward, hip roll quarter, back to 6. Tag section 3, cross point, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Tag section 4, right side touch, sway left, sway right, left side touch, rolling full turn, quarter forward, half back. You will finish the rolling full turn 3/8 step into 7/30 diagonal to start the last slow beat. Count tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Pole dance count, part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The second time you finish A, B, you will do a front wall B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. The last beat, music slow down the step.